Hey, you, check it out, man. You already know your boy finna get this workout in. It's January the 14th. I'm outside a truck stop in Tennessee somewhere. Let me see. 42 degrees, no excuses. You hear me? Hey, man, my truck right here. But I found me an open little spot, bro. You know I'm always looking for these. So to all my truckers out there, try to find you an open little spot, bro. And you can get you a little setup, man, no matter where you at. It's rare, but I got at least 45 minutes in me, man. And you already know what I be saying, bro. Just be you. Give me a little stretch in. Give me some money. And of course, I'm a little crazy out here. But would you rather look crazy in shape or crazy out of shape? And today I got my dumbbells out. I ain't got nothing to do no pull-ups on. Let y'all see the truck stop. You feel me? Somewhere in the mountain somewhere. But I got my ab joint out here. I got my jump rope. And I got me some dumbbells, man. Just give me a little stretch in the end. You gotta always stretch, man. Make sure the muscles warmed up. I ain't no spring chicken, you dig? Wrist feel a little funky. Stretch that thing out. Hey, but I hope everybody out there doing good, man. Like I say, January the 14th. I feel good, man. I done drove about 480 miles today. Last few days been a little hectic for me, man. They've been having me going all around, bro. I started, like I said, Minnesota, Florida, Georgia. Went through Alabama today, back through Georgia, now I'm back up to Tennessee, man. And it's my last place I gotta pick up. Then I'm headed back to Minnesota, but I'm finna have to take me a 34-hour. Or I might use some of these recap hours to get further down the road, man. But today's session is called You Got This. You hear me? You got this. And when I say that, I'm just trying to encourage others, man, like you got this, bruh. Just think about all them difficult times you done had in the past that you wanted to, I'm done. Or you wanted to throw in a white towel. But you didn't. You hear me? You didn't. You know why? Because you got this. Real talk. And let me go and get this money before it get too dark out here. You got this. got this. I don't care what it is. If you're on the weight loss journey, you feel me? You're trying to overcome that addiction. You feel me? You got this. One set in, starting to warm up. That first 12 hurt it. Hey, you. But yeah, check it out, man. That workout shit is all mental. You hear me? Yeah, I know this shit physical, but it worked that mental. You feel me? Like on the days when it get tough on this road, this working out keep me going. You feel me? Yesterday was one of them days, bro. I ready to call dispatch and tell them, look, I'm done, bro. Real talk. I know within the last couple of days, I've put in over 2,000 miles. And since, let me see, Monday, I done put over a little bit over probably 2,000 miles. And I probably done got a good 4 workouts in within those days. So I'm winning. You hear me? As long as that check keep clearing and I'm able to keep my little physicality up, my mental, you know, keep that sharp. You feel me? I'm good. And another thing to keep me going, bro, it's some dope ass YouTubers out here. Like, it's some dope people out here dropping great content on a daily basis. Like, I tune in to motherfuckers like they television channels, man. So salute to all y'all. Y'all see I be commenting, interacting with your content. Y'all motherfuckers great at what y'all do, man. There's some very intellectual, articulate humans out here doing they motherfucking thing, bro. Real talk. Doing they motherfucking thing, bro. And I know y'all like, why he all about his physical? Hey, man, I gotta be the part when my little number called and it's time for me to show up. Yes, sir. They gonna be like, how was you a trucker? How is you in that shape like that? What you mean you been driving trucks, bruh? Yes, sir. Go on YouTube. Type in Just Be You 24. You hear me? You'll see me. Really putting in that work out there. Really encouraging, really inspiring. But this ain't no trucker channel. So when truckers come by this, and y'all be like, he ain't no fucking trucker. I'm a super trucker. I've been doing this for 30 years. Bruh, I ain't no motherfucking trucker. You hear me? But I'm grateful to the Most High for giving me a way to make some good legal money. You feel me? And to get these experiences. Real talk, bro. Because I've done the local thing, Pepsi, all the soda places, you feel me? But Coca-Cola, I ain't did them. Food, all that shit, bro. In the dead winter, you hear me? All that shit back down second set. I know y'all hear the trucks. sir. Feeling good. Yes, sir. Hey, man, I swear, being out here 3 weeks at a time, bruh, you come off the road feeling like you just did a bit. You hear me? You finally get in the gym, you see the women, boy, you feel like you just did time. You hear me? Real talk. Because all you really seeing are women at the truck stops, the other women drivers. But you go to the gym, they got on them leggings. You hear me? They run around that motherfucker ass poked out everywhere, sweating. Ooh, wait. But hey, man, that's just how it be. Not on no thirst ball shit, but that's just how it be. But I don't think I would want a woman on this road with me, because a nigga be in that cab farting. You hear me? Them motherfuckers be stinking. And you can inhale your own farts. You feel me? You can be like that with your own. But I don't know if I want to be smelling somebody else's shit. You know what I'm saying? Especially my old ladies. No, sir. No, sir. But to each his own. Real talk, to each his own. So I ain't mad at no motherfucker for doing them. To each his own, bro. But like I say, back to the topic. But back to the topic, man. You got this. And it's to all my people who struggling with their confidence. You feel me? Who struggle with self-doubt. You know what I'm saying? You got this. Real talk. And that's the mind frame you gotta have, man. You just gotta feel that way. Real talk. Because there's a lot of things that come along this journey, along our walk, that discourages us. And every day we getting on this media, man, there's somebody that always got something that we don't. So you really can't get sidetracked with that. You feel me? Real talk, man. And I feel like as long as you keep that approach, that mindset, you good. I got this. No matter what come my way, I got this. And what helps me feel like I got this is from my past experiences. Like, bro, I done been down in the pit like Joseph. You hear me? And didn't think I was gonna be able to claw my way back out that thing. Real talk, but that's why I say working out. That's what's kind of kept me going. Like, no matter how down and out I was in life, that's what kept me going, bro. Being able to work out, because it released them endorphins in you. You feel me? It makes you feel strong. It makes you feel capable. But third set in, I'm back down. I know y'all gonna talk shit. I'm only doing 10 balls a day. I did about probably 400 push-ups last night, man. So my shoulders a little burnt up. You got this, just like I do. But check it, you don't got it if you're not applying no pressure though. If you're not taking the necessary steps in order to secure whatever it is that you're trying to obtain, you don't got it. But if you really out here taking the necessary steps, applying that pressure, you got this. Woo. 3 sets in. Man. But I ain't gonna lie, man, I'm ready to get back to the gym. I'm ready to get back to that iron. And I think that's why my physique crucial like that. Cause I'm back and forth. Even when I'm in the gym, I'm doing hella calisthenics. I love pull-ups. I feel like pull-ups get you all the way there. You hear me? They hit everything. That back, the lats, shoulders, a little bit of chest. It just depends on the positions that you got your hands in, man. But you can hit a lot of muscles in that upper body. Real talk, bro. So to all my people out there, man, master them calisthenics, bro. Real rap. Ooh, I'm good and tight, boy. I'm good and tight. And when I did, hey, if you watched my previous video, I was just at a truck stop that had a shipping container, right? So I was doing pull-ups off of that. My back is still sore. You hear me? I'm talking about it's still sore. I wish I saw one out here. I don't though, man. Hey, I think I might have me another way of doing my motherfucking thing off this flatbed. You feel me? Off that motherfucking flatbed. What's up, boss? But yeah, I think I see me another way. I'm gonna have to keep my legs up, which gonna hit them abs. It's gonna be a little more difficult. And I'm gonna basically be in a sit down position. But I think I got me another way, man. So, but hey, man, you gotta find a way to stay determined, man. You gotta find a way to stay optimistic and think that glass is half full. I say that jug half full, cause I want something big. You feel me? I want something big, bro. So I gotta think like that. Real talk, man. Okay, I'm back down, man. Them motherfuckers hurt. But no pain, no motherfucking gain. No pain, no motherfucking gain. You hear me? And believe it or not, that Al Will, that's hitting that upper body too, hitting that core crazy. Real talk. You see them motherfuckers for a truck. You see them motherfuckers. This jump rope, I'm telling you, man. Woo. I'm finna show y'all if there's a will, there's a way. It's a little louder back here, but I'm at a truck stop. You feel? As you can see, I've been coming all the way. I went all the way from like Fort Myers or some shit, Fort Pierce, Florida, all the way up here to Tennessee, picking up these damn Polaris racks, man. But I done got hella miles in doing that, state to state, and stop pay, so it is what it is. It ain't hard, it's just tedious. But what I'm about to do now, I'm just showing you that how to improvise out here. But you gotta have a little upper body strength, a little core strength. Cause I'm gonna do some pull-ups off of this. So I'm basically gonna have to sit. You feel me? And guys with drop vans, you're not gonna be able to do this. But my guys with the flatbed, I don't know, bro. You're gonna have to figure something out. How bad you want this shit. I'm just working, man. I'm just working through whatever comes my way. If I sat back and told y'all what with all I've been through, you hear me? All the different failures, all the different setbacks, I'm not blaming nobody but myself. But if I told you everything that I've been through, not what other people have done, what I put myself through along my journey, you'd be like, yes, sir, you him. Just steady going, man. I'm not watching no other guy in his lane. I'm staying in my lane. I'm treating my life like I'm in a diesel, because if I look over there too long, I'm going to crash, and it's over with. So that's one thing you can't do, is be focused on what the guy next to you doing, how far ahead of you he is, what he got, what he carrying on his truck, what he hauling. You feel me? You just got to be worried about what you got, your load. Real talk. I fucked up all around the board, man. Relationships with my kids, nothing that I really done, but you know how this wicked ass system do a nigga. Even good niggas, man. So you know how they go. Relationship with significant others, those that failed, you know what I'm saying? And it take two to tangle, so I done played my role just like they have, so I'm not here to point the finger, oh, you did this. Man, shit happens, man. But if you truly got love for a person, you would never smear them. I never smear nobody that I disconnected from. But here we go. I'm finna try to do these little pull-ups. Good one. Good one. Good morning. That shit hurt. Good way though. Whoa. Pull-ups felt great. That's hitting that core too, because I'm holding my legs up. So that's why I didn't do the abs. That's just another variation of hitting that core. My shit gonna be so tomorrow. But it ain't no better feeling, bro, than knowing I'm out here putting in work, man. Real talk. Knowing I'm out here holding myself accountable. And the feedback I've been getting from people. Hey, man, I salute everybody, bro. I appreciate every motherfucker who done said some kind shit, some real shit to me. That make me want to keep posting. That's why I'm uploading like crazy, bro. Cause that type of shit, that's what builds your confidence. Of course, we already confident, but this is what keeps you driven. Seeing people receiving the work that you're putting in. Cause it's easy to talk that confident shit when you got thousands of motherfucking subscribers, and every time you upload, that motherfucker getting viewed, and people, you know, you done built your tribe. I'm not acting like y'all haven't, but it's easy to have confidence then, man. The days when you drawing from nothing and your subscriber count low, and you building that motherfucker up one by one, two by two, here go three, and they coming slowly but surely. That's the confidence boosters, man. That's what keep you going. So to every total stranger out there, man, thank you. Real talk. That's all I ever wanted to be, man. Was received by people who was looking for the same shit that I was doing, wanting to put in that work, bro. Anything other than that, I don't care about. But anybody can get some money. Any out of shape person can get in these trucks and drive them. You feel me? But it take a different type of breed of motherfucker to come out here and get this money in 41-degree weather. You hear me? But I'm gonna have to get back in this 38 now. You see that? It's 38 now. But I'm gonna have to get back in that motherfucking cab cause I'm only going north. I'm going more north, and it's cold than a motherfucker up there. But that's why I'm happy I figured out that cab, bro. Now I can get my pusher, I can do whatever but jump rope. And that's the only thing that kind of pisses me off. I can't get my little cardio in. But as long as I can get some type of money, thank you, Most High. Real talk. But I'm back down on these pull-ups. Got this. I got this shit. You hear me? Real talk. Hey man, I'm inspiring so much content out here. I'm inspiring other fitness influencers. They gotta go get other people. Can't beat me by yourself, can you, man? You hear me? I ain't talking about the guys on the roids. But the guys on whatever else, I'm talking about the regular guys. You hear me? Who can focus fully on fitness, still ain't putting in that work, still ain't looking like shit. You hear me? Yeah, you, nigga. But that's what keep me going, man. Knowing there's others that don't want me to get it, knowing I'm really the part, thinking they gonna block me. You can't block what God doing in my life, man. Just like I can't block what God doing in somebody else's life. Not even that I would want to. Cause it's enough for all of us. You hear me? I just want my portion of that pie. Real talk. I just want my own land. Like Boosie, you hear me? So I can build on that shit and seclude myself, isolate myself from the world, you hear me? Me and my little family over here, bruh. And we got whatever we need, real talk. That's my goal. Give me some acres and build on that shit. I don't know if y'all saw Boosie shit, but that nigga, hey, he living. Especially like that was one of my little favorite rappers covered up. Boosie, Lil Boosie. Real talk. So to see where he done made it in life, I salute you, my nigga. I salute you, boy. Get back on them weights though, big dog. When you came out, you was nice. Get back on that shit. That muscle got memory. Get back in there, Boosie. I fuck with the Louisiana rappers, Kevin Gates. That's one of my favorite rappers though. Aquarius nigga, just like me. Weird, different, you feel me? That's my nigga though. I fuck with him. Real talk. Funny ass nigga, rapping ass nigga, entertaining ass nigga. There's some dope niggas out there, man. Let me see who else I'm fucking with. That nigga Finesse. Finesse though. He one of the hardest, rawest niggas that ever touched that mic though. Finesse the truth. That jail talk. Just that life shit from women. Hey man, that nigga the truth, bro. He be talking. And I see when you really one of them, bro, when you really one of the chosen, bro, your family, everybody gonna be against you, man. This shit crazy. But I guess that comes with being one of them people, man. Like when you really one of the chosen, bro, your life like one of them people out the Bible, like Joseph, you threw in the pit and everybody need you to die. Motherfuckers hate that you dreaming and you can see shit that they can't see, man. It's wild, bro. But when you really one of them, bro, you gotta go through it, my nigga. Real talk. This my last set though. But hey, I see this my way of talking, man, through my workouts. That's why I gotta get my own little workout space. Then I can go on and on, bro. Real rap. And I'm gonna start getting me little topics to talk about doing my workout shit. I can't, for some reason, I just can't get in front of that camera and just talk. Like, but when I'm working out and doing me, that shit just flowing effortlessly. Real rap. This my last set. That's great money, man. Great motherfucking money. Telling you, man, get your workout regimen. Figure you something out, bro. I'm telling you, this shit is the best stress reliever ever. That and getting some sheets, you feel me? But the same type of passion I got for this, the same type of passion when I'm mashing. Real rap. be saying I'm unfocused because I'm talking about them Chiefs. It's been weeks. I got some pressure built up, bro. Real talk. And that's the last set, man. But like I say, the topic of this shit, this whole workout session, was you got this. And you gotta believe you got this. Right now, I don't know how the fuck I'm finna pull this shit off. You hear me? But I'm believing in myself. And of course, the people in the sky, my mama, my daddy, my grandma, my uncle, everybody out of love who passed away, they looking down on me. And you know the Most High. Without him, none of this is possible. But I just want to keep people encouraged, man. And just to show them, bruh, it ain't no excuses, man. If you free, if you able to get to that gym, if you able to go outside of wherever you live and walk, you hear me? Get out there, get you a sweat in. It don't matter the temperature. Get you a sweat in, bundle up, sweat. You got a place to take a shower. You hear me? Eat right. I'm not saying not every day, but balance it every other day. Last night I had some Bojangles. You hear me? But I'm right back out here working. You feel me? Tonight I'm gonna have some rotisserie chicken and a salad. You hear me? So I'm right back to balancing it. So this is what I'm trying to tell you, man. Don't let no guy sitting in no truck outdo you, man, with the working out. Real rap, man. To all my youngins out there, especially my young men, take care of your body. Take care of your physique, bro. That's the first thing a person see is you. You hear me? Ladies, take care of your body. You hear me? Ain't nothing sexy than a woman flat stomach, or not flat, little fupa, but that thing sitting out farther than your stomach, baby. You hear me? Booty sticking out farther than your stomach, baby. You hear me? Take care of yourself, queen. Take care of yourself. You hear me? No, I'm saying if you want your nigga, I ain't acting like a nigga still ain't gonna do him, but if you want that nigga to honor you, respect you, you feel me? We visual creatures. Of course, I want someone with morals that's loyal, but man, I'm visual. I want my old lady, right, whatever her body type is. She got big old hips, big old ass. She got little legs, little bottom. The top can't be crazy. You feel me? So just take care of yourself, queen. Fellas, take care of yourself. Real talk, man. And you already know what I just made this video about. You got this just like I got this, man. And you gotta keep that belief. I don't give a fuck what no other motherfucking human talking about on this motherfucking earth. I got this shit, bro. I don't give a fuck what it's looking like. I'm gonna pull this shit off, bro. Real talk, man. And you already know what I say. Just be you.